2015 64 plate Vauxhall Vivaro XBT model with only 75,000 miles. This was pre-Euro 6, so the more reliable version with twin sliding doors. Benefits from 2 new front tyres, just having a major service and backed service history with the BT. 12 months MOT, fresh upon sale. Interior is nice and clean, no rips and tears. Ply in the rear, pretty clean. Interior lighting. It's got a roof rack with the amber lights and a space for pipe, etc. Includes the rear step with rear parking sensors on. Interior, as I said previously, nice and clean, no rips and tears. This van is limited to 62 mile an hour, so never been abused. Comes with this 6-speed manual. Will also come with our complimentary 3-month warranty for peace of mind.